UniVerge Blue Monitor provides dealers with an interface that is distinct from the dashboard seen by end users. It has several tabs similar to the dashboard, including a cameras tab, but the purpose here is for administering user accounts primarily. The users page allows dealers to define new users as well as to edit existing user accounts. There are functions available that permit a dealer to view statistics for storage and bandwidth consumption, currently enabled cameras for individual users, as well as the ability to log in as an end user to directly manipulate their dashboard, typically for troubleshooting purposes, and a dealer can delete a user account. Among several features that are available to a dealer on the users page of the dealer interface is the ability to log in to a user's dashboard. To do so, there is an advanced requirement that the user enable debug access. Debug access is off by default, so the dealer must ask the user to enable it. After the dealer has finished debugging an issue, the user should always disable debug access. On logging into UniVerge Blue Monitor with a dealer's account credentials, the dealer interface is displayed rather than the usual UniVerge Blue Monitor dashboard. Here, the Users tab displays all users currently defined by that dealer. A dealer can click the Add button to add a new user, defining a customer name and email address to which an email will be sent with an invitation link to define their account credentials and get started with their dashboard. The address and company name fields are optional. Account manager and account number fields are not. These are required. Any attempt to create a new user without specifying these last two fields, in addition to customer and email address, will fail. The services toggle allows a dealer to specify whether or not this user will see the services tab on their dashboard for self-management of their subscriptions. Otherwise, the dealer will manage those subscriptions. Clicking the Create button, a confirmation message is displayed indicating that an email has been sent to the user. Clicking OK, we can see the new user at the top of the grid, and the description includes the text, "Email is not confirmed yet." This text will vanish once the user acts on that email. Here we have logged into that user's Gmail account where the invitation email is waiting for them in their inbox. On reading the email, the user clicks on Set Password for accessing their Blue Monitor dashboard. Having accepted the terms of services, the user clicks Confirm and then is asked to log in afresh with their email and the newly defined password. On clicking Login, the user is taken to their dashboard for the first time. Returning to the dealer's account page, notice that our new user's description still includes the text, "Email is not confirmed yet." Press F5 to refresh this grid display, and we see that that text is no longer present, indicating that the user has registered and logged in with his new account credentials. Let's have a look now at the rightmost three columns of the user's grid display. For our newly added user, we see a sub-user's count of 0 and a cameras count of 1. Under the statistics function, we again see the cameras count. We also see currently consumed bandwidth and storage being apart from that used for archiving clips. The next function to the right is the cameras function, which brings up a list for the dealer to see all of the cameras that are currently defined for this user. Keep in mind that cameras are defined either by the dealer or by the user on a cameras tab. Here, if a dealer were to deselect a camera, the subscription would still be available for assignment to another camera. Clicking on the Edit pencil, we see an Edit User dialog. It's very similar to the New User dialog, where pretty much everything can be changed except for the email address for this user. Clicking Cancel, we go to the User Login function. Note that users control a dealer's debug access to their dashboard by opening their profile page and enabling debug access in advance, later disabling the option when the dealer has finished supporting an issue. This literally takes the dealer to the user's dashboard. If you want to return to the dealer account, you have to log out from the dashboard of the user. Lastly, there's a delete button. I'm not going to be demonstrating that here.